Hi guys! Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. This video will give you an overview of PageFly app, #1 Shopify page builder. Note that, if your language isn't in the list of subtitle of this video, you can turn on auto-translate mode here. And choose the language you want. And the video will be translated into the selected language. So welcome to the PageFly dashboard. On the left-hand side, you can create 6 different types of page. Click Settings here and you can access User Interface to select the language of the app. If you've got any issues when you're using the app, you can click the 24-hour support chat box in the bottom left corner. Or click this icon. Click Help and Support here to go to our Help Center or watch our video tutorials. Click Explore Pricing Plans to check your current plan. On the right-hand side, you can check PageFly's latest updates. Now it is time to create a new page. To create a landing page, go ahead to the regular page list. And I will head over to this big blue button here that says Create a New Page. Or you can click here if you want to use templates to build your page. Welcome to PageFly Page Editor. Let's run through some of the basic features very quickly from top to bottom, left to right. Let's start with the top navigation. Here is how you optimize for mobile, tablet and laptop devices. Beside that is how you toggle on your theme styling or off. This is how you undo mistakes and redo your changes. You can save the page and see the page on preview, or publish it to check the page on the live page. You can quickly access our templates or page settings here. On the left-hand side, these are all sections where you add your different elements. We have PageFly elements, Shopify elements, third-party elements, and page sections. So for now we're going to add some basic elements onto the page, to give you an idea of how it all works. I will click the Add section here, and choose a section from Page Introduction to drag and drop into the page editor. Next we will add a regular element here. In the search bar we can search for a paragraph, click on it. And once again drag and drop it right underneath this section. And finally, we will add a Shopify element, such as product list element. If you want to customize any element, simply click on it. Head over to the right-hand side. There are 2 tabs, General tab and Styling tab. That helps you do customization for the element. It's important to know that when you click on an element, you can easily navigate to other parts of the page using the breadcrumb navigation on top. So we can see that the section contains a row. The row contains a column. The column contains a paragraph. And you can move in between any of them. If you go to the bottom left corner of the page editor, you can see the page outline. Or version history. This little box, it says Add Custom Code. Let you add in on custom CSS or JavaScript to give your page a unique design. Now I will save the page. Put the name of the page here. And click Save the Page. Click Publish. And then to see what it looks like in real time, we'll go ahead and click View Live Page. If you want to edit this page, you can find it in PageFly Admin. Go ahead to Regular Pages list. And simply click on the title of page here to open the page editor. And edit the page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach out to us via 24/7 in app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.